Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send an invite on iPhone calendar. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is open up your iPhone calendar. From inside your iPhone calendar, click on where it says calendars. From inside calendars, you will see all the calendars you have. I have a home calendar, work, and a Mr. Beast video calendar. Let's say I want to send an invite to Mr. Beast video calendar and I want to invite somebody. In that case, I need to click on the eye right beside the calendar. Once I click on the eye, it is going to show me the option called add person. Now what I can do is click on the red add person. From over here, there is two ways to add person. You can click on the plus and you can select the person from your contact list, or you can enter the person's email over here. Once you enter the person's email over here, what you can do is click on add and the person will be added. Now remember, a request will be sent to the person. If he accepts it, he will be added. If he doesn't accept it, he won't be added, alright? It depends on if he accepts it or not. That is how you guys can send invite to an iPhone calendar. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.